Good morning, friends. So today we'll discuss other problems on isometric projections. So welcome to my YouTube channel CADSVCE. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to your friends. Let's discuss about today's problem. So let us take this problem. Three cubes of sides 60 mm, 40 mm, 20 mm are placed centrally, one above the other in ascending order of their sides. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. So this is a very interesting problem and is given three different solids, and all three solids having same type. So the name of the solid is cube with the different dimensions. One is 60 mm, another one is 40 mm, another one is 20 mm. They are placed one above another in a centrally. Just first construct 60 mm cube and construct 40 mm cube and place it on 60 mm cube centrally. Then construct 20 mm cube and place it on 40 mm sides of cube centrally. So this is the combined solid. Let us construct. Let us solve this problem. So I am constructing the cube. Let us construct the first cube. Say my first cube is 60 mm. So I'll construct 60 mm cube. The length is 60 mm, angle is 30 degree. Then similarly this side. On the side we have length is 60 mm, angle is 150. Then length is 60, angle is 30 degree. Then length is 60, angle is minus 30 degree. So I constructed a base surface of the 60 mm cube. Next, similarly constructed top surface. See, the height is given. We need to draw height. The height is also 60 mm. Length is 60. Angle is 90 degree. Then from this corner, draw length is 60. Angle is 90 degree. Again from this corner, length is 60. Angle is 90 degree. Again from this corner, length is 60. Angle is 90 degree. Now join all the points. We get the top surface. So I'm joining this, and I'm joining this and this. So now here, not visible, I will trim this one, not visible, I will trim, not visible, I will trim. Find a midpoint for the top surface. Let us draw the midpoint. So from this midpoint of this line and midpoint of this line, and midpoint of this line and midpoint of this line. So you got the midpoint for the top surface. So now, I just for my convenient purpose, I'll move this solid a little bit below. Just I am moving like this, just below. Somewhere here, I will place the solid like this. Okay. So now I'll show that. So in the next, we need to construct another cube of 40 mm and similarly another cube of 20 mm. So instead of constructing the cube, I will follow shortcut method. Just I will change the dimensions. So now I'll select this cube and I'll go to scale option. Just I will change the scale and automatically we'll get the 40 mm cube and 20 mm cube. Go to scale option and keep copy should be on. So scale factor is very important. While defining scale factor is very important. So scale factor is say required dimension divided by actual dimension. So required dimensions of the cube is 40 mm and actual dimension. This is the actual present dimension is 60. So it is 40 by 60. Now scale factor is 40 divided by 60 will be the scale factor, or 4 by 6 will be the scale factor. Just if you press OK, you will get one more solid like this. This is the solid I am getting. Just I will place here. Then you will get one more solid. That is a 40 by 60. This one also I place it like this. So now I'll select this cube and I'll place it exactly at the midpoint of this surface. Let us select this cube, select the cube, and go to more option. Just go to more option, and we need to place. So we need to check the dimensions. 1 minute. I'll do some more modification in the original dimension. So here I'll retain the base. I'll retain the base surface. Just a minute. I don't want this line. Okay, I'll delete. Find the midpoint. Find a midpoint at the top surface as well as at the bottom surface. So go to line and this endpoint and this endpoint, this midpoint and this midpoint. Similarly, bottom surface. This is midpoint of this line. This is the midpoint of this line. This is the midpoint, and this is midpoint of this line. I got the midpoint for the bottom surface. Now, next step is very simple. Just select this element, go to more option, and you can place somewhere here for your reference. So now I'll go to scale factor. Now I need to construct 40 and 20 cubes. I'll go to scale factor and just switch on the copy and select the element to scale. I am scaling this element, this solid, and scale factor is required dimension by actual dimension. Required is 40, actually 60. Press enter, and you can place here and here. You got two solids. One is for 60, 40, and 20 Now you select this solid and just go to more option. Copy should be off. Select this midpoint, base midpoint of the solid, and place it top surface of the solid. And similarly, go to next, select this one, go to more option, select the base midpoint and place it on the top surface of this midpoint of this one. Now convert into isometric. Just select the complete solid and go to scale. Copy should be off. Scale factor is 0.8164 will be the scale factor. Press enter and place it on the screen. Now try to remove the hidden lines. So now these are the hidden lines. See, first I will make thicker lines. These are all visible lines. I will make thick. These are all visible lines. I will make thick. These are all visible. I'll make it thick. Now I'll remove the unwanted lines or invisible lines. Let us remove the invisible lines. Go to trim. Not visible, not visible, not visible, not visible, not visible, not visible. These are all not visible. This side, not visible, not visible, not visible, not visible. These are all hidden lines. These are all hidden lines. Not visible. This is also not visible. Not visible, not visible, not visible. And retain the construction lines. Don't erase the construction lines. Let it be as it is. This is visible, so magnetic. This is also visible to observer, magnetic. So this is the complete construction of isometric projection. This is also visible, so make it thick. So this is the complete isometric projection of 3 cubes are placed one above another in ascending order. So with this, I'll complete today's problem. And thank you so much.